So for instance, if the sale is $12.18, it will automatically preset itself to 72 cents. No more math for the cashiers, which, as we all know, is never a great idea. Hi, I'm Zach with FTx. So today, we're going to go over POS panel design tips. Let's get into it. Another one of my favorite new buttons is the charity button. So we can drop a button generally on the subtotal screen and use the new Round Up for Charity option. When choosing it, what happens is it automatically rounds the cell up to the next whole dollar and performs an open department sale into the specified department. So for instance, if the sale is $12.18, it will automatically preset itself to 72 cents, prompting the cashier to ask the customer, would you like to round up 72 cents for charity? If they choose yes, the cashier simply touches the button. No more math for the cashiers, which, as we all know, is never a great idea. Another underutilized feature is the ability to flag discounts on the receipt. So if you use a discount, be it a % discount or dollar discount, you can actually go in and customize the receipt text for that discount. So here we have a military discount of 5%, and as you can see on the custom receipt text, we're able to print that in there. This allows accounting greater visibility into the discounts being given. And if you are using discounts, you can actually predefine a whitelist or blacklist department of what can or cannot be discounted. So here we have a % discount, and we're going to do 10%. And as you can see, we've set up the departments that'll be eligible to receive that discount. So in this case, any item for a department that's not in the list won't be eligible to be discounted. Another great feature is the Launch Module button. This button allows you to launch other POS modules from within the register screen. For example, we have a new item report, and price change report, or commission report. All of those can be configured to be launched by the cashier. The commission report especially is helpful. What we found is if you gamify your commissions, the cashiers really get competitive, and we find them running the commission report after nearly every sale. So that was a few design tips for the POS. Hopefully you learned something. Thanks for stopping by.